Welcome to Taiji's Origami Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make this sea otter. So something about sea otter I think is just really cute, and I think this model just really portrays the feature of the sea otter really well. Especially this nose I think is just really cute, and so I hope you give this a try yourself. Then, let's get started. Okay, let's make the sea otter. So as the first thing, I'm going to fold diagonally in half like this. And open, and also in the other direction. And then open. Then I'm going to flip the other side, and one corner, I'm going to fold into the center point like this. And then I'm going to flip the other side, and then I'm going to bring this corner to the center. And also on the other side, like this. So as the next thing, I'm going to bring this line to this line. And then open, I'm going to do the same thing here. Bring this line to this line. And then open, and then I'm going to fold in like this with the two lines we just folded like this. And the flap is going to come up like this, and this flap I'm going to fold in downward in this direction. Then we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, folding like this, and then open, and also on the bottom side like this. And then open, and with this two fold line I'm going to fold inward like this, and this flap I'm going to fold it downward like this. And then I'm going to flip to the other side. I'm going to bring this line to the center line. That, and also on the other side, just like that. And then I'm going to open, then I'm going to bring this point to this point right here, and also on the other side, just like that. And then I'm going to open, then I'm going to open this as well, and with the just folded line I'm going to fold inward like this all together, and this flap is going to come out like this, and then this flap I'm going to stick my finger in here and then fold it flat like this. And then here I'm going to do the same thing as the crane. So I'm going to bring this line to the center line, like this, and also on the other side, like this. And then this small triangle I'm going to fold down along this line. And then I'm going to open 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take one sheet from the bottom like this and bring it up with this line, upward like this. At the same time I'm going to fold it inward from the side like this. And then this is going to be a tail of the otter. So I'm going to fold this up, folding along this line right here, like this. And then this comes inward like this. And then I'm going to fold along this line outward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it like this, bringing these lines together like this. And then fold it down. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to fold up along this line, like this. At the same time, I'm going to fold it inward from the side like this, and bring in this line to this line together like this, and just like that. And then this part is going to be the head of the otter. I'm going to bring this corner to this point like this, and I'm going to bring this point not to this point but a little bit above that line like this, just a little bit sticking out like this. And what is that for? This is going to be the nose. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be coming out like this on the other direction. That's going to be our nose of the sea otter. And then flip to the back, and then this corner I'm going to bring a little bit above than this point, so just about here like this, and also on the other side just about the same amount like this, and just like that. And I'm going to fold starting from this point right here along this line like this. And as you may sort of see, that's going to be the head of that sea otter. And then I'm going to fold in half like this. And you start to see the shape of the sea otter. And then this head, I'm going to pinch here and try to bring it up like this. It's really a personal thing how much you want to bring it up. I make it so that this point goes a little bit above this horizontal line. So just like that much. And then fold it down like this. Just like that. And this corner, I'm going to kind of fold it inward like this. So the head will be a little bit rounder, but at the same time, I'm going to fold it this outward once again, just like this. So the sea otter have an ear. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to fold this inward like this, try to match the other side. It's okay if it's not that perfect. And then I'm going to bring this out again, and this is going to be the ear of the sea otter. Also trying to match the other side. Like that. And then you have the head of the sea otter. And then it's almost finished. This is going to be the hand of the sea otter. I'm going to bring this line to this vertical line, like this, and then you have the hands sticking up like this, and also on the other side. I'm going to bring this line to the vertical line like this, just like that. I'm going to do the same thing with the feet. This I'm going to bring out like this, just so that this will come to the vertical line like this. And also on the other side here, folding up like this. And then with that, the sea otter is finished. So as you saw, making this model of sea otter is not that difficult. So I really hope you give this a try yourself. If you enjoyed what you saw, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have any question or requests or any feedback, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.